Most companies today are losing over 60% of their productive time to a routine they don't even notice. Sales teams are drawing in CRM data entry and repetitive copy-pasting, while marketing teams struggle daily with a content generation gap. Every forgotten follow-up or missed leak is a direct leak in your revenue. We see these digital costs everywhere: disconnected processes, human error, and hundreds of wasted hours. So how do we fix this without adding more complexity? You don't need another software bill. Instead, we can build an intelligent AI layer that sits on top of your existing tools. You won't have to change your work. The AI simply connects everything and handles the grunt work. You get to step back from the manual tasks and let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on the strategy. Let's look at how this works in practice, starting with demand generation. Imagine a system where your marketing strategy is fully automated. An AI assistant from LinkedIn that doesn't just generate text, but understands your high-level business goals, research relevant topics, and creates expert content that resonates with your audience. It's marketing that works 24/7, keeping your brand active while you focus on the bigger picture. But what about adding one more AI layer? Once interest is captured, an AI agent inside the CRM takes over. Based on real-world implementation, we've shown how AI can analyze lead intent, remember the entire communication history, and automatically draft personalized follow-ups. The result is a complete shift in focus. Your team stops chasing cold leads and starts spending 100% of their energy on meaningful, high-value dialogues. Managers step into warm-up conversations that are actually ready to close, leaving the robotic, repetitive work to the machine. The real result of this custom automation is reflected in hard numbers. For our UK-based client, this meant over $110,000 in annual payroll savings by automating roles that previously required full-time manual oversight. More importantly, we achieved a triple increase in the qualified lead pipeline and reduced missed opportunities to zero. This is what happens when technology is built to fit the business perfectly. You stop paying for process inefficiency and start investing in pure growth. At Cloud Dynamics, we provide a high-end automation service. We act as your strategic partner, auditing your unique business logic and building the exact intelligence layer you need to scale. In an era where everyone has the same tools, a custom-built system is your ultimate competitive advantage. Your business does not need more apps. It needs a partner that delivers measurable results. Are you ready to transform your workflow? Let's build your custom advantage together.